Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Knott with Disability Resolution PA. We're going to be doing question 28 of 50 most common ALJ hearing questions for children. 28. Does the child need help with eating food? Does the child need help with eating food? So, do you have to cut up the child's food? Do you have to prepare it in a special way? Do you have to put it in a blender? Is it, only allowed to be microwave food? Is it only allowed to be, food that's basically cooked in a certain manner or way so that the child can digest it properly? What is unique about the child eating food that you have to do in order to make sure that you get through your daily activities with the child? Do you have to put it in special cups? Do you have to put it in special bowls? Does it have to be prepared a certain way? Do you have to split the food up a certain way? Do you have to feed it one piece or one type of food and then go to the next type of food and serve that? How do you do unique things for this child that involve feeding the child? All right. My name is Attorney Walter Knott with Disability Resolution PA. I will catch you a little bit later, Attorney Walter Knott, and please like, subscribe, leave 5-star reviews. Remember, I go live 8 to 10 every Thursday on YouTube, Eastern Standard Time. I donate 2 hours then, so you can always catch me on Thursdays, 8 to 10 p.m. We'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.